Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a powerful gaming PC that does not take up much space, this video is for you. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2025. We will cover performance, features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GMK Tech K6 Ryzen 7 7840HS Gaming Mini PC. The GMK Tech K6 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It supports USB 4, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports. This mini PC delivers excellent gaming performance for its size. It can handle most modern games at 1080p on medium to high settings and is also suitable for light 1440p gaming. Multitasking, streaming, and content creation runs smoothly, and thermal performance is well managed. Pros: strong gaming performance in a compact form, fast PCIe 4.0 storage, USB 4 support for high-speed peripherals, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. Cons: no dedicated GPU included. Higher price compared to entry-level mini PCs. The GMK Tech K6 is an excellent choice for users who want high performance in a small footprint without moving to a full-size desktop. Number 2. GMK Tech M5 Plus Ryzen 7 5825U Gaming Mini PC. The M5 Plus features an AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor with 32GB RAM and a 1TB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB 3.2, USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort. This model is ideal for casual gaming, esports titles, and daily productivity tasks. It performs well at 1080p on low to medium settings and runs quietly with low power consumption. Pros: affordable price for the performance, triple 4K display support, quiet and energy efficient, great for office work and light gaming. Cons: not suitable for demanding AAA games, older CPU architecture. The M5 Plus is a solid budget-friendly option for users who want a balance between productivity and light gaming. Number 3. GMK Tech Nukebox K12 Ryzen 7 8745HS Gaming Mini PC. This mini PC comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, 64GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD. It includes OakLink support, USB 4, HDMI 2.1, and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports. The standout feature here is OakLink, which allows you to connect an external GPU for significantly improved gaming performance. Even without an eGPU, it performs well in modern games at 1080p and handles heavy multitasking with ease. Pros: OakLink support for external GPU upgrades, large 64GB DDR5 RAM capacity, HDMI 2.1 for high-resolution displays, excellent future upgrade potential. Cons: higher price than standard mini PCs, external GPU setup requires additional investment. This is a great choice for users who want the future-proof mini PC with the option to expand into serious gaming performance. Number 4. Kamrui Hyper H1 Ryzen 7 68HO Mini Gaming PC. This mini PC features an AMD Ryzen 7 68HO Mini Gaming PC, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and multiple display outputs. This mini PC offers smooth 1080p gaming performance and a reliable overall system stability. It is well suited for users who want gaming, streaming, and productivity in a single compact system. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 performance, triple 4K display support, Stable thermals, good value for the money. Cons: uses PCIe 3.0 storage instead of PCIe 4.0. No USB 4 support. The Kamrui Hyper H1 is a balanced mini-gaming PC that delivers strong performance without a premium price tag. Number 5. GMK Tech K11 Ryzen 9 8945HS Gaming Mini PC. This mini PC is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD. It features dual USB 4 and OAK-Link support, HDMI, DisplayPort, and dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. This is the most powerful mini PC on the list. It handles demanding games, content creation, and multitasking effortlessly. With an external GPU connected via OAK-Link, it can perform at a level comparable to a traditional gaming desktop. Pros: extremely powerful Ryzen 9 processor, dual USB 4 and OAK-Link support, excellent for gaming and professional workloads, premium build quality. Cons: expensive, more power than casual users need. If you want the best possible gaming mini PC in 2025, the GMK Tech K11 is the top choice. These are the top 5 best gaming mini PCs you can buy in 2025. Each model offers a different balance of performance, price, and upgrade potential. Check the links in the description for current pricing and availability. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite pick.